Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining us today. A happy new year to you all. Today we have this question here, very brief, and we're going to look at this question together. And please get some paper and take note. What do you do if you have this kind of question? Firstly, I need to first make sure that we understand this cube root. When you have something like square root of a, this one means a is raised to the power of 1/2, and if we have a cube root of a, we have this 3. Remember, for square root, we'll have given here 2, but by default, we don't need to put this 2 here. Then we have a to the exponent of 1/3. If you have a fourth root, then this is the same as a 1/4, and so on. So therefore, once you master this, then it becomes easy for us to be able to solve this question. So let us go ahead and work on this question here and make sure that the right hand side also needed to be written in exponent form, and we know that 16 is the same as 4 square. Now if we know that, then we can move on and start solving this. Firstly, we can write the question down again and have our cube root of 4 to the power of 2x, and this is equivalent to 16. And then replacing 16 by 4 exponent 2, and also we write the cube root in form of exponent. We'll have here 4 to the power of 2x, and the whole thing is raised to 1/3. And from there, we equate this to 4 exponent 2. Now, when you look at this, there is an indices rule that says if you have a number raised to a power again to another power, these powers or the indices multiplies themselves. So if we do that, we'll have here 4 to the power of 2x over 3. And this must be equivalent to 4 to the power of 2. And since the bases are the same, then we equate the exponent. Therefore, we'll just have here as 2x over 3 equals 2, because this base and this one are simply the same. Therefore, we can remove this denominator by multiplying through by 3, and we have here 3 by 2 is 6. So we can divide both sides by 2 in order for us to get the value for x. Therefore, our x is equivalent to 3. Please go ahead and also replace this x by this value 3, and then find its cube root to see, do you get 16? Let's check it out as when we have our cube root of 4 to the power of 6, because we have 3, that is 2, that is 6. So what is this? Then we get our calc and work out to see if we can get 16. So we have the cube root here in my calculator, then I press shift this, and we have the cube root given there, and I need to place some bracket as that we have everything, that is 4 raised to power of 6 close into a bracket, and we press equal sign. Exactly, we have gotten our 16, and that is equals to what we have here. So the value x equals to 3 is valid. Thank you for watching. Up to this time, please support Caltex Academy by subscribing, but if you don't wish to do so, it's okay. See you in the next video. Happy New Year once again. Peace out.